Welcome to G-Bong. Since our founding in 2012, we have been committed to the design, R&D, manufacture, and sales of storage products. G-Bong was established in 2012 as a high-tech enterprise focusing on storage products, including SSDs and DRAM modules, integrating design, R&D, manufacturing, and sales. After over a decade of development, the company has become one of the major domestic manufacturers of SSDs and DRAM, providing cost-effective OEM/ODM services to many brands at home and abroad. G-Bong possesses advanced production facilities and a complete industrial chain. The company has introduced several Yamaha YS-series fully automated SMT production lines with a monthly capacity of over 800,000 pieces. From front-end chip testing and analysis, to SMT placement production, to back-end aging testing and finished product assembly, we provide customers with one-stop, high-quality production services. We have rich OEM experience, supporting brand printing and customized packaging, helping clients build their own brands. With a global service network, we provide timely and efficient customized solutions to customers worldwide. G-Bong storage products are widely used in automation, transportation, servers, medical, Internet of Things, and other fields. Whether for industrial-grade systems or consumer-level applications, we can provide stable, reliable, and efficient storage solutions. Looking ahead, G-Bong will dedicate itself to building a full-chain ecosystem, from chip design, packaging and testing, embedded chip, LPDDR, eMMC, R&D, through SSD and DRAM module manufacturing and sales. We lead storage technology innovation and join hands with you to create the future together. Thank you for visiting G-Bong. We look forward to working with global partners to open a new era of storage. For more information, please feel free to contact us.